change the thinking level, how AI will do everything from zero to infinite. So forces, they were demanded like software engineer, but now in coming days scenario is going to change completely. So this is important. Learning analytics, what do you want to learn, what do you want to interpret in the particular learning, that is called learning analytics.
So I welcome everybody. Very good evening to everyone who are present here. My name is Engineer Harshvardhan Prohit, and I am very glad to introduce Professor Dr. Reva Mishra sir with us. Sir is a keen philosopher. Sir is a motivational speaker, and sir is the mixture of diverse personality trait which you can see in industry. Sir has a very fast industry experience and very vast experience when it's come to management, when it's come to AI, when it's come to data science. Many students of sir has been over the seas, like they have a good jobs, they have the good career, and it is all because of the grace of sir and the support system which sir has provided to them. Sir has very good network connections when it's come to national, internationals. They have a good network of alumni who have studied under sir's guidance. Sir is leading Modi University Center for Online and Distance Education MU Code from past years. There was an incredible and phenomenal growth when it's come to online education, and Modi University MU Code has been proven as a very vast domain expertise when it's come to online education. And right now there are many courses sir is leading, and sir is director and dean of COED, or Center for Online and Distance Education at Modi University. So it's pleasure sir to be you with us today, and it will be a great session, and I hope that students who are present over here will justify the title, which is Classroom to Corporates. They will get that knowledge and support from your end so that students can get that kind of industrial experience and exposure through this session. So are you guys are ready for the session? So yes sir. Students are ready for the session, so
Okay.
we can proceed, sir.
So thank you so much, Mr. Harsh Vardhan Purohit, CEO of SIN Technology, School of AI. And thanks a lot for inviting me for such a good session, which is really a demand of today needs from the industry side as well as the academic side also. So thank you very much, all the participants. I hope you will understand the basic theme of from classrooms to corporates, how to connect corporates, how to fulfill the gap between academia and industry. So today's session is completely based on this particular theme, what academics wants from our side and what we are delivering from the academic side, as well as what industry required. So as industry needs, today we are required experts as a basic knowledge about the technology, basic knowledge about the AI, and not only the AI, but your common intellectual, which is really required for today need. So today we will discuss myself, Professor Dr. Reva Mishra. I'm heading the Center for Online and Distance Education from Modi University. So from entire Modi University family, I welcome you all, those who are attending this particular session. Feel free to ask questions after completion of the presentation. Feel free to ask in between, even if you feel this question is really very important, and after completion even you can ask, even you have to write something in the chat box so we can give your answers. And this is a discussion, to be very frank, this is a discussion between you and me. As a student, you have to learn, you have to understand what is the basic need of tomorrow and today. So before starting this particular session, I always quote something which is really important from your side. So whatever you are today due to your past thought, and whatever you will become due to your present thoughts. So all the thoughts are very important. All the attributes, behavior, gratitude is very important for upcoming time. And we have to learn with the knowledge, with the horizon, which is really required for today need. So one by one, I will show you the most important information from their side. So you must gone through some newspaper how they are projecting the AI market. You are all aware the AI is most demanding in coming days. As youngest CEO, you can say, from the Jodhpur side, Mr. Harshvardhan Purohit has taken initiative. How how AI is now changing the world. How in the whole Rajasthan people are making better career, better future with the help of AI. How students are connecting with the young champ, and how he is turning the market of AI, and how he is reached to everyone from zero to infinite, you can say. So this is very very important, dear friends. You have seen some important things here, like fake and fact. In the AI, there is a two facts about here: fake and fact. With the help of AI, today you all heard that bank corruption, as well as thief in the form of cyber law, as well as cyber security and cyber crime, even it is introduced with the help of AI. So there are so many news you must gone through with the help of newspaper, with the help of media, with the help of TV channels. There are a lot of rumors or grapevine about the AI. So I want to clear your concept behind here, that how AI is changing in 2027 to up to 2030. AI global market may touch $990 billion by 2027. This is report is saying. This is standard paper news cutting which I am bringing for all of you. It is saying that how computing power need will expand data center in coming days. So this is very very important, and AI won't be. Please mute your mic. Somewhere distraction is coming. Okay. So AI won't be a threat to jobs for next 5 to 10 years. Chandrasekhar was telling over here. Now, dear friends, all different types of news is in front of you. How AI will change the world in coming days. There are so many myths behind the AI. AI will come and they will, AI will change the market scenario. AI will take the jobs of the people. Even there are so many questions arises in your mind also. If AI will come, then what will be the existing jobs? How AI will change our education system? How AI will change the thinking level? How AI will do everything from zero to infinite. So for these particular kind of myths, we will ask question in the last event. You can ask me a question in the completion of the particular seminar, and you can see there are so many examples in front of you. There are so many news available related to the AI. There are so many facts about this, and fake news is also available for the AI. So you can judge it, and you can understand how things are changing. Dear friends, here just gone through this particular slide, how AI will generate the jobs in coming days. So AI has a different fields. AI is producing. There are so many sectors which is not untouched today. If you see big data engineers, who can become big data engineers? You all have an answer of this particular question. Who can become AI data analyst? Whatever education you are taking today, that will definitely bring to you in this particular post or in this particular designation. So thank you so much. Big data engineers, those who are doing BTech, you can do your BTech with a new technology, with the help of new thinking, with the help of new skills. So what are the new things? AI is in on your doorstep. As SIN technology is already in the pipeline of launching such kind of programs, such kind of expertization in the field of big data engineers. So you can become big data engineers with the help of using the AI technology, with the help of AI skills. AI data analyst, where which is a role, how to filter your data, how to pre-process your information, and how to convert pre-processed information into the wisdom. This is the basic role of data analyst. After the studying of historical data, you can create a great decision making in coming days. So historical data to predictive data to filterized data and pre-processed data can be converted into the data analyst. So today the role is here also AI data analyst. Your role is also here AI. You can become, after learning these skills, AI data analyst. Business intelligence developer. Everyone required today who can solve daily life problem in business. Solve the problems, give the best solution to the industry. This is the ultimate role of your education. So whatever you are taking education here, if you are doing MBA, suppose, so after MBA, if you really want to become a business intelligence developer, you have to understand how AI will change your life with the help of this particular career. AI software engineers. In previously, in the time of 90s and even 2000 up to 2020 even, we were thinking about the become how to become a software engineer, how to become a good programmer. This was the approach of the academic industry. But today, after AI introducing, things and approach totally changed. What approach has been changed? Now you can become AI software engineer after learning the AI tools. So AI software engineers are more productive, more creative, and more efficient as compared to existing software engineers. So now things are changing. All the companies, all the IT companies, all the MNCs are now existing knowledge changing with the help of AI software engineers. Now, if you see the requirement from Times of India, you will see their requirement of AI software engineers. Previously, they were demanded like a big company like Accenture, Infosys, they were demanded like, software engineers. But now, in coming days, scenario is going to change completely. Now they require AI software engineers. So who can do better social engineering along with software engineering, he can become AI engineer. So now your designation will also change, your thinking will also change, and you will become AI software engineer in coming days, dear friends. AI consultant. Now the next role, like you must heard about the HR consultant. You must heard about the technical consultant. You must heard about the architect consultant. So now these consultant, also existing consultant, are also changing with the help of AI. Now their designation is also clear. AI consultant. With the help of AI, I can give better solution. I can give better financial support to incoming days. So with the help of data science, with the help of historical data, dear friends, you can lead in the organization. If you have a knowledge of AI, definitely your reputation in the organization will be different. Your publicity, your popularity will be different in the organization. So dear friend, you have to learn how AI consultant changing the words. Now the next career, which is you can make your career, that is called natural language processing and specialist. You can become natural language experts whenever you are trying to provide emotion to the machine. As basic definition, you will heard that how to provide automation, how to provide a brain even to the non-living things. That is AI. How AI is changing the non-living things to living pattern. So how to train your machine with the pattern learning, with the knowledge horizon, and they are able to take a decision like a human being. This is NLP. So your natural language is now understand, your emotions now understand and converted into the factful results. So this is important. AI research scientist. You all heard about that. Now, UGC announced that in coming days, we required AI research scientist. We required PhD with AI research scientist. In the old time, if you see, there was a PhD. in a PhD, there was a theoretical approach, you can say. There was a not like a researcher who can demonstrate their research in a different field. Now all the PhD now converted with the help of AI research scientist. Now Doctor of Philosophy definition is also going to change in coming days. That's why UGC chairman announced over here, after BTech, if you have scored more than 75%, you can appear in the PhD program even. So after graduation, dear friends, you can appear in a PhD program. So this is how market is going to change, how AI research scientists are earning in lakhs and crores even. So things are changing slowly and gradually. So how AI is taking place in front of you, all the pictures is clear, that how you can make your career with the help of AI, and how you can become a research scientist, as how to study a science with the help of AI. Now, the next career you can choose, dear friend, that is called machine learning engineer. Now, today, how to, in the agriculture field, if you see, all the old branch now converting themselves in the form of machine learning, in the form of machine learning. One of my friend who is professor of AI and ML, Dr. Amit Khare, one of the genius personality who is the expert in the field of machine learning. You can take the help even, and dear friends, you can learn so many things, good things from this particular area. So dear all, machine learning, which is really in coming days very important role play, and people will learn and they will earn with the help of these particular things. User experience specialist, you can become user experience specialist, because in coming days you require a specialist. Whenever you are suffering with some disease or some in a past experience, if you see, you required a specialist. The same thing here also be required, like you are looking a doctor who is a specialist for this particular sector. Same thing will happen in IT industry also, be required a specialist, be required AI specialist in coming days, how to procure the things, how to correct the things, how to give a best solution, how to use optimum use of resources with the help of this particular sector. So you can become user experience specialist with the help of these technology. AI, even AI can use it properly, implemented it, and in coming days it will become your career. So there are so many careers, there are so many fields, you can choose it and you can access it. So by these particular definition, by these particular segments, you can make your career, you can choose these careers in a different segment. So these are important. Dear friends, few examples in front of you. There are so many, tools which you are using in coming days, as well as you are using, even like you are all user of chat gpt. But chat gpt is not only for the content, but you can make it more better for coming days. You can become technical writer with the help of using with the help of these particular tools. You can use these tools to become a great content writer. Even these tools are useful to how to correct the content, how to reduce the redundancy in your content. You can use it, and you can make better with the help of grammatically, as well as with the help of knowledge wise. So these are a different examples in front of you, plus AI, BuzzSumo, Caption Bot, a lot. Grammarly is there, Market Muse. There are so many examples in front of you. You can use the AI, and you can make better future, better career, what you are expecting from there. So this is very important, dear friends. Now I'm asking one question with all of you. What do you mean by AI? You all have AI. Please give me the answer of this. But first question, what do you mean by AI? How AI is taken a place in coming days? Anyone can unmute your mic and give me the definition of AI. Over to you, audience. What do you mean by AI?
Hello.
Yes, please.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, perfectly.
Sir, artificial intelligence means, uh, sir, it's a intelligence we create. We create machines which can think like humans.
Very
Or,
good. We can create a machine who can behave like a human being, or act like a human being, or think like a human being, or attitude like a human being. There are so many definitions you can create. This is really a good answer given by the student. Please note it down. When you can provide a brain, when you can provide a brain, mark my words, when you can provide a brain, what is the role of brain? Brain can think, brain can take decision making, right? So the basic definition of AI is when you have to think like a human being, when you can create a machine, when you can program a machine which can think like a human being. In our human brain, dear friends, there are two types of brains. One is called programmed brains, and another one is called non-programmed brains. How many of you are aware about this particular question? We have two types of brain. One is called programmed brain, and another one is called non-programmed brain. What's the difference between programmed brain and non-programmed brains? Yes, anyone? दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है?
सर,
Over
एक
to
ब्रेन
you.
जो प्रोग्राम्ड ब्रेन है वो हमको, अगर हमको कुछ काम जो फंक्शन करना है हमको उसके लिए यूज होता है। और जो नॉन प्रोग्राम्ड है, कोई मेमोरी स्टोर करनी है या फिर फीलिंग्स, इमोशन, वो सब चीजें में भी नॉन प्रोग्राम्ड ब्रेन स्टोर कर सकता है।
Come up with your name, please.
सर, छवि।
Chabi. Okay. So nice of you because you have exactly given an answer in proper manner. And one thing I want to tell you: suppose in your brain you have a capacities like I can score. In which semester you are studying, Chabi?
सर, सेकेंड सेमेस्टर BCA।
BCA second semester. And suppose you have this year to do a top in your class. This is your programmed mind. Hi Anna. This is your programmed mind. I will do top in my class, and I will score 90% or whatever grade CGPA, whatever I will score to this year, I will make it sure. Right? This is your programmed brain. And suppose all of a sudden something happening a good in your life, and what you have not planned, which is happening in coming days. Uncertainties is a part of non-programmed brain. Whatever imagination you have, whatever thinking you have, that is called non-programmed. So thank you very much. Whatever feelings you have, that is stored somewhere. You have exactly told me. Somewhere you have attitude, somewhere you have feeling, emotions, even past experiences you have. AI is now capturing the things from past data, from the historical data, now predicting the historical data and making the future better. That is AI. So rise of AI in education and industry. Slowly, gradually, education industry has turned up, has changed the scenario, the study level, the thinking level. Even in India, after NEP implementation, new education policy implementation, the rise of AI in education industry in coming days, it is going to change. So all the education sectors, all the universities, even private university, government university, changing their module, changing their syllabus, changing their curriculum according to the industry need. Because industry required in coming days the person who has a basic knowledge about the AI, basic knowledge about the machine learning, basic knowledge about the things, we can convert the things in a proper manner. So education is also changing according to the industry demand. Suppose we are providing degree holders, and if there is no job, you have a degree but you don't have a knowledge, you don't have a skill for the industry. Industry wants something else. We are providing something. So definitely there will be a gap in industry and academia. So in coming days, that's why AI revolution started. Things are changing slowly, gradually. Industry and academia are now collaborating to each other. Industry persons are coming for a teaching also. They give their knowledge, they deliver the knowledge for the students, for the scholars, and they convert their career from, from the education industry to industry, education industry to corporate. So this is the basic difference, and this is the basic fundamental even how things are changing. So the journey from knowledge dissemination to business transformation, knowledge to wisdom. This is the journey. So about the introduction of the AI, you can go on through these particular knowledge, how we can convert knowledge into practical, how we can convert knowledge into decision making. This is most important. So after the most important things, we can convert the things into the business transformation, into the true spirit as well as true value of the industry. Scope of AI in market transformation in education, classrooms, personalized learning. Now you are all well aware about this. We can customize our learning according to our knowledge. We can learn how much we want to learn. This is called personalized learning. What we want to learn, this is personalized learning. Before personalized learning, I want to share you in a communication skill, what you want to learn, how you want to learn, and when you want to learn and where you want to learn. This is most important. Same things apply in AI also. AI is like samundar. You can see it's a samundar. Samundar में सब कुछ है. But what do you want to learn? How much you want to mining from the big sea? बहुत बड़े समुंदर से आपको क्या सीखना है? That is called mining. So in AI, what do you want to dig? What do you want to capture? How much you required? How much information you required in coming days? This is most important. So smart content, you can create it, you can make it, and with the help of smart content, you can create the word. So this is important. Learning analytics. What do you want to learn? What do you want to interpret in the particular learning? That is called learning analytics. You have a lot of data. From data driven, you can learn, you can do analytics, and you can provide the better solution for the. So this is also important. Virtual teaching assistant. Now everything is available in AI. Everything, you don't require to, create so much. You need to only in basic knowledge about the things. You can create the virtual teaching assistant. Everything is available in technology. Everything is available in the AI market. So from classroom to corporate, you can connect from C to C. You can connect from head to heart. You can connect from B to B, brain to brain, you can connect it. You can connect from business to business even. So this is called how scope of AI markets, transformative in education sector from classroom to, corporate. So things are moving ahead. In corporates, automation efficiency. You are all heard about the Google car, which is in coming days. Definitely automized car is coming. Even decision-making kind of things will come. We will see other aspects of the, after this particular session, even if you have a question. Automation and efficiencies are there. Decision intelligence, customer personalization, predictive business analytics. We can give the better solution. We can make better decision making, and we can provide automation to the industry. We can create, you can make your machine which can be, automized. We can take decisions, and we can take better efficiency with the help of AI even. So in a corporate also, you can do these things. AI in classroom tools and applications, which are examples for all of you. Personalized learning, you can adaptive learning systems with the help of technology. Examples are available, Square AI, Century Tech. These are all softwares which are available, and with the help of these examples, you can learn. Assessment and feedback, NLP and computer vision. A great scope, Turnitin AI, everything is available. Virtual assistant, chatbots, NLP, content creation, generative AI, you can use it. Student engagement, gamified AI systems are available. So all these various tools, technologies are already available. You can use it and you can make your career better. Impact of AI in education, improved learning outcomes, real-time performance tracking, customized curriculum delivery. What industry wants, you can make the curriculum. What we want, that doesn't matter. But what industry required, because in industry you are going to do a job. Democratization of quality education, you can access it. So these are important things. AI in corporate tools and application, these are available tools. Even certifications are also available. Even Mr. Harsh will guide you. All these certifications he has already done in his career. So automations, business insights, customer experience, HR and recruitment, and operations. These are all different, functions which are available with the help of softwares and with the help of companies. Softwares, you can use it. You can do predictive analytics. You can make robotics kind of things. You can do NLP programming and resume screening even for the MBA student. This is very useful. And machine learning models like SAP, AI, and IBM. So these are all things available in market. AI across the employee life cycle, hiring. Now, all the HR managers are using the AI-based CV screening, video interview analysis, onboarding, virtual onboarding assistants are available. Training, even personalized AI-powered learning paths available. Engagement, sentiment analysis, and performance trackings are there. So these are all different things are available. You can make your career, dear friends, like, machine learning, data science, after BTech, after BCA, after MCA, you can make your career in this particular field. Machine learning, data science, natural language processing, computer vision, AI-driven software development, and robotic process automation. These are all careers available for all of you after studying the basic course and after the doing AI technology. Thank you very much. I hope you all understand the basic knowledge about the AI, how AI is changing the world, how AI is really important in coming days, how things are moving ahead, and what the importance of AI better you can understand. We have the full-fledged companies like SIN is there, which is already available in your area, which will provide the best knowledge with the help of experts, industry experts, by the CEOs and by the level of the people, those who are available, by the good advisors. These things are very, very important. Thank you very much for patiently listening. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks a lot.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, am I audible? Good evening, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how will AI help us in finance sector?
How AI will help you in financial sector, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, dear friend, it's a very good question. How you must heard about the what you are doing Abhi right now. What's your education and what you are pursuing, dear friend?
Sir, I am in fourth semester BCom and preparing
Okay.
for MBA CAT and non-CAT papers.
Okay. So, what do you want to do? I mean,
Sir,
what do
MBA
you
in
want to
finance.
become in your career?
Sir, firstly, I want to do MBA in finance sector
Okay.
and then I will pursue for business while taking
Okay.
some job experience.
Very good. Suppose you are using, as a question is very clear now, why I asked 4 questions with you, because I must know what do you want to do in your life, because your why must be clear. Suppose you want to do a business. Now, how AI will help you in business, right? So suppose what kind of business you want to open, that you must clear. Suppose you want to open your own company. Suppose you want to open the restaurant, suppose. So you want to open a restaurant in which place, in which sector? So how AI will help you? AI will help you to make a project. AI will help you to predict the customer segmentation. AI will help you to identify the historical data of other businesses, which is really belongs to your business also. So AI will predict from the past data. AI will, analyze from the past and historical data. And AI will also help you from which bank you can take the loan if you want to take a loan even. So AI will help you. Suppose you don't know even how many schemes are available from the government side, how they are increasing the, students startup in the field of banking sector as well as financial. So there are so many schemes from the government also. So with the help of technology, you can take a help to make a project report, to do predictive analysis, what is the good for you and what is not good for you, because your brain may be work in one direction, but AI will work in 360-degree direction, right? So AI will definitely help you to prepare, to, to create the best report, to create the best optimum report so you can do better business in coming days. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
any question? Ha,
Hello, sir. Am I audible to you?
yes.
Myself,
Yeah,
Shivanjini,
perfect.
I want to ask a question to you is that as AI field is growing, the data field is also growing. And there are whole lot of skills are being required and demanded by the industries like BI, AWS, Redshift, Python libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. I want to ask you which AI tool should be used with the data field to let the complexity be reduced? Like we have to handle the messy data, so that which AI tool should be used and must be used and which is in demand and required by the industries to,
Okay.
to skill that. Which AI
Yeah,
tool
it's a
to be skilled?
you are little bit, your voice is distracting. Can you repeat me again because I'm not able to listen you perfectly.
I see. Yeah, see. So I'm repeating the question. I want to
Mhm.
ask you that as the AI field is also growing, the data field is also growing.
Uh,
And the
Stop here.
requirement,
Stop here. Stop here. Stop here. AI field is also growing and data field is also growing, right?
demand and requirement, yes, the demand and requirement of the industries are Python libraries, SQL, BI, and business intelligence tool, which is the Power BI and the Tableau. So I want to
Hmm.
ask you which AI tools are to be used in data analysis to let the complexity be reduced and which are
Okay.
also demanded by the big industries.
Very nice. Very nice question. First, tell me what education you are taking.
So I have completed my master's in marketing and finance, and then I pursued the training course of data analysis, which included the Python libraries and BI business intelligence tools, which are Tableau and BI. So I want to ask this question that which
Okay.
I want to
Okay. Good.
upgrade in the AI field also. So I
Very
want to
nice.
ask AI tool to be skilled.
Mhm. Mhm.
This is
Right now you are working somewhere, or right now you are searching the job. I mean,
I'm
you are
searching
doing
the job.
you are searching the job. So in which area you are expert and what tool you have learned till date?
I'm not expert. I'm a fresher right now. I'm searching job for data analyst associate. I have just done my some projects which were given by my institute only.
See, very nice question. I want to clear your doubt first. If you have done MBA, right?
Yes, sir.
MBA in which specialization you have done?
In marketing and finance, mainly major was marketing.
Major was marketing, right? So in marketing, have you done any certification courses?
No, sir. No certification
No
courses.
certification. You nowadays digital. Have you heard about digital marketing?
Yes, I do have heard, sir.
Okay, you have heard about the digital marketing, right? SEO, SMO, SMM, right?
Yes,
These are
sir.
a terminology like search engine optimization, social media marketing, right? So after MBA, you can make your career better with the help of technology. You have already given so many examples like Power BI is there, Tableau is there, you know, how to become a data scientist even. Don't to be confused from here because already you have done the master. So first advice to you, suppose you want to do a data analyst. If you want to become a data analyst, you have to learn basic knowledge about the Tableau. right? And if you have a knowledge about the, suppose you had done the MBA. So have you heard about the SPSS software
No, sir.
for the
Not
data
yet.
analysis and data interpretation? Most important thing, dear friend, is data. Now, data, how data can be useful. Suppose you want to make your career somewhere. First, you have to know your data. Know your data. If you know your data, then data can be pre-processed. Data can be raw, right? Raw data to convert into information. Nowadays, what students has a problem? They have data. They have full data, you can say. They are very rich data wise, but sometimes they are very poor information wise. And even they have information, but sometimes they don't have a knowledge about the industry. So where industry demands, what industry really demands from your side? Have you gone through the Times of India? There is a called Times Ascent. There is a job requirements come. So for fresher also, if you are learning Python, if you are learning Tableau, that's really good. It is an extra advantage in your resume. But you have to know the basic knowledge about the market. Suppose you have already studied the MBA market as a specialization. You must know the basic of the market. You must know the, Philip Kotler kind of books, which you have to know, because historical things or historical data or historical knowledge always comes from your study only. So whatever you are learning, that's really good, but there must be a demand. Without demand, don't learn anything. I personally think. If you want to become a master of everything, you cannot become a master of Python in one day. You cannot become a master of Tableau in one day. You required 1 year at least to become a master. You required a time to learn these technology. And the most important thing, why I am learning this technology. So, dear friend, you must clear your idea here why I am learning this particular thing. So, when your why is clear, your question is clear. That's why I am learning. I want to make my career. Where you want to make your career, that is most important. So, suppose you want to make your career in marketing field, then learn digital marketing. If you want to become a data scientist, then make it very, very fruitful things. That is called how to become a data scientist, how to learn data warehousing and mining. Most important subject is there. So data mining knowledge is required to pre-process the knowledge, pre-process the information, and convert according to the industry needs. Suppose I am giving you a database of a DMart. You must heard about the DMart, right? DMart के बारे में सुना है आपने?
Yes, sir.
तो डीमार्ट का अगर मैं डेटा देता हूं आपको, तो अब आपके पास डेटा तो आ गया. यू कैन फिल्टर द डेटा, यू कैन प्री प्रोसेस द डेटा, और उसमें से आपको ट्रेंड निकालना है कि सबसे ज्यादा सेल्स किस डे होती है. एक क्वेरी है ये जनरली. तो किस दिन सबसे ज्यादा सेल होती है, किस दिन सबसे ज्यादा भीड़ होती है डी मार्ट में, क्या पूरे टाइम भीड़ रहती है, सबसे ज्यादा ट्रेंड में क्या चल रहा है मार्केट में. देन योर रोल स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम देयर एज अ डेटा साइंटिस्ट. This was a past data. I have done prediction. I have done pre-processing. This is my logic. This is my interpretation. And this is decision making for the CEO of the DMart. Now you have to change the pattern what's required in coming days. So this is the very important, dear, which is important how, where, and when you want to make your career. लर्निंग करने के लिए आप कुछ भी लर्न कर लीजिए, लेकिन बी स्पेसिफिक, बी कंक्रीट. वेयर डू यू वांट टू मेक योर कैरियर, दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. पाइथन अपना पाइथन की तरह काम करेगी, टेबलू अपने आप में काम करेगा, पावर भी है. बहुत ज्यादा नहीं सीखना. डोंट बिकम अ मास्टर ऑफ एवरीथिंग, but master of one thing is important. So you can learn Python. Python is also very useful and you can get the job. But after Python, Python is useful for backend also and useful for decision making also. So you can become Python experts, and you can take a job in the industry, IT company, as well as whatever segments are available. Thank you. I hope your doubt is clear.
Any more questions you want to ask? Yeah, one more, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
So my voice is coming.
Yes.
सर आई वांट टू
बोलिए।
आस्क यू क्वेश्चन कि सर
हम्म,
कैसे एआई कस्टमर्स को लाएगा, कैसे उनको रिटेन करेगा और कैसे कस्टमर्स की लाइक इमोशन समझेगा। लाइक एनी बिजनेस लाइक एआई कैसे कस्टमर्स को लाएगा, उनको रिटेन कैसे करेगा, मतलब उनको रोक के कैसे रखेगा और उनको ना उनकी मतलब भावना इमोशन कैसे समझेगा, लाइक आगे फॉर मार्केटिंग के लिए, कस्टमर्स को रोक के रखने के लिए।
हम्म। बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है। क्या करते हैं आप, अपने बारे में बताइए थोड़ा सा।
सर माय नेम इज सिद्धार्थ कुमार संचेती। अभी मैं बीकॉम थर्ड सेमेस्टर में हूँ और अभी अभी फैमिली बिजनेस साथ में ज्वाइन किया हुआ है मैंने।
ठीक है। किस चीज का फैमिली बिजनेस है?
सर हमारा हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स का है, हैंडीक्राफ्ट एक्सपोर्टर्स हैं हम और रिटेल में भी हैं हम।
एक्सपोर्टर हैं?
यस सर।
ठीक है। वेरी गुड। देखिए, कोई भी बिजनेस अब बट नेचुरल है, आप अपने फैमिली बिजनेस पे ही जाएंगे फ्यूचर में, राइट?
यस सर।
तो एक चीज ध्यान रखिएगा। अभी आपके पास जो भी डेटाबेस है, आपके पास एक कस्टमर का डेटाबेस होगा, राइट? कैसे कैसे भी होगा, वो मैनुअल हो सकता है, वो कंप्यूटराइज्ड हो सकता है, डजेंट मैटर।
यस सर।
क्लियर? आपके पास एक बिजनेस है, जिस जो हैंडीक्राफ्ट का बिजनेस है, उसके अंदर आपकी सबसे बड़ी एसेट जो है वो क्या है पता है? कस्टमर है।
यस सर।
कस्टमर मस्ट बी वेरी हैप्पी। तो कस्टमर कैसे हैप्पी रहेगा? आपकी आपकी सर्विस सर्विस से हैप्पी रहेगा, आपके ट्रीटमेंट से हैप्पी रहेगा, राइट? अभी मैनुअल जो कर रहे हो आप,
यस सर।
आपके कॉमन कॉमन एआई लगाइए पहले। पहले पहले तो आपका ट्रीटमेंट, क्योंकि कस्टमर का ट्रीटमेंट बहुत मैटर करता है, राइट? अगर ट्रीटमेंट प्रॉपर है तो डेफिनेटली कस्टमर विल कम वंस अगेन। ट्रीटमेंट अच्छा नहीं है, प्राइसिंग, प्रोडक्ट, प्लेस और मनी और मैन पावर, ये सब बाद में मैटर करता है। मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज योर ट्रीटमेंट। तो
यस
फर्स्ट
सर।
थिंग विच इज वेरी कॉमन फॉर ऑल दी बिजनेसेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रीटमेंट। अगर हम
यस
होटल इंडस्ट्री में भी जाते हैं तो हम सबसे पहले क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि हमें नीट एंड क्लीन, हमें हमारा डाइनिंग चाहिए, हमें हमारा टेबल हमारा नीट एंड क्लीन चाहिए। हम वेटर को कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं, वो भी एक ट्रीटमेंट से चलता है। उसको उसका जॉब है ये नहीं है, बट ट्रीटमेंट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। किसी भी
यस सर।
बिजनेस के सक्सेस का सबसे बड़ा सीक्रेट है ट्रीटमेंट। इफ यू आर अ पॉजिटिव ट्रीटमेंट प्रोवाइडर, आपका एटीट्यूड बहुत पॉजिटिव है, डेफिनेटली योर कस्टमर विल टर्न अप टू यू। पहली चीज जो हम किसी बुक्स में नहीं पढ़ते हैं, ये व्यवहारिक ज्ञान होता है। दिस इज कॉल्ड बिहेवियरल नॉलेज, राइट? अब रही
यस सर।
बात एआई की, एआई कैसे इस चीज को हेल्प करेगा? तो अब सपोज दैट अगर आप किसी होटल में खाना खाने गए थे 1 साल पहले, और सपोज आप उस होटल के ठीक सामने से गुजर रहे हैं, और आपको आपके मोबाइल में एक मैसेज आता है कि लास्ट 1 ईयर यू हैव हैव अ वेरी गुड लंच विथ अस, बहुत अच्छा लंच किया था आपने इस होटल पे, और आप पुनः पधारें, बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा, इन योर नेचुरल लैंग्वेज, राइट? तो
यस सर।
आपको कैसा लगेगा? अच्छा, ये होटल ऐसा था, जबकि आपके दिमाग से निकल चुका है। फिर भी वो एआई के हेल्प से आपके मोबाइल पे मैसेज आ रहा है। सेम मैसेज आपके वर्क एनिवर्सरी में आ रहा है। सेम मैसेज मान लीजिए आपके बर्थडे के दिन आ रहा है, आपके पापा के बर्थडे के दिन कुछ आ रहा है, आपको हम फ्लैट 50% ऑफ दे रहे हैं। ऐसे एआई आपके बिजनेस को चार चार चौगुना बढ़ाता है। क्लियर हो रहा है?
बट सर ये एआई कौन सा टूल होता है, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल कोई टूल हो या कोई फेसबुक के हिसाब से फेसबुक एड
नहीं,
चलाते हैं, कैसा होता है
देखिए,
ये?
बहुत सारे टूल्स हैं। आपको उस लॉजिक को सिर्फ इंप्लीमेंट करना है। गूगल इज ऑलरेडी अ रिच टूल विच इज प्रोवाइडिंग। गूगल के पास सब कुछ है। आज आज एआई अपने आप में आफ्टर 2020 22 अभी एआई बना नहीं है। एआई बनने में भी समय है। एआई अभी आया नहीं है पूरी तरह से। अभी इंडिया में 2% एआई आया है। कितने परसेंट?
तो
2%।
2%।
अभी 2% एआई आया है। 98% स्टिल अवेटेड है। आने वाले समय में अपने ऐसे ऐसे विजन है। अभी मैं लास्ट टाइम आई वाज जस्ट लिसनिंग अबाउट द हर्षवर्धन पुरोहित, ही वाज डिस्कसिंग अबाउट दिव्य दिव्य सर्वर काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, राइट? तो ही इज क्रिएटिंग ओन सर्वर, ही इज क्रिएटिंग एआई का ही अपना खुद का। अभी आपको पता होगा, एक दिन के लिए माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने अपना ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम शट डाउन किया था। याद है आपको वो इंसिडेंट?
हाँ सर,
उस दिन
यस सर,
सारी फ्लाइट जो है क्या हो गई थी, बिल्कुल डिस्टर्ब हो गया था, एयर एयर सिस्टम पूरा डिस्टर्ब हो गया था,
यस सर,
लाखों करोड़ों का नुकसान हुआ था। किसी को याद है ये चीज? हैव यू
यस
हर्ड
सर,
अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग?
हाँ सर,
So when we can create our own system, we will not depend on others. We have to create, we have to made in India concept, then we can get successful. अभी जितने भी टूल्स हैं वो सब बाहर के टूल्स हैं, हमारा अभी कुछ नहीं है। हमारे पास अभी आने वाले समय में होगा, क्योंकि हमारे जो यंग चैंप हैं, जो यंग इंजीनियर्स हैं, दे आर रियली डूइंग वेरी हार्ड एंड दे आर रियली थिंकिंग इन अ पॉजिटिव मैनर। तो डेफिनेटली आने वाले समय में टूल्स अवेलेबल हैं। गूगल के भी अपने टूल्स हैं, ट्रेंडिंग है, मार्केट बास्केट एनालिसिस काइंड ऑफ टूल्स अवेलेबल हैं, ओ लैब, ओ एल टी पी, बहुत सारे टूल्स हैं। देर आर 1000 टूल्स अवेलेबल, बट बी रिक्वायर्ड विच वन इज गुड फॉर माई बिजनेस। दिस डिसीजन विल टेक बाय यू ओनली।
यस
क्या
सर,
चीज
मेन थिंग तो
मेरे
सर
लिए
यही
जरूरी
है।
है, राइट? क्या चीज मेरे लिए जरूरी है वो इंपॉर्टेंट है, दुनिया के लिए क्या जरूरी है वो इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है। दिस इज कॉल्ड ट्रेंडिंग एनालिसिस, right?
यस सर,
Yes. So I hope you all understand with the fruitful insights, and as well as whatever knowledge is required in this particular session. I try to give you my best and keep in touch.
Definitely, sir. Is my voice is coming? Hello.
For any questions, what is related to AI? Yeah,
Sir, it was
thank you.
a really great session. Thank you so much, sir, for connecting with us. And truly, your words and direction actually guided all the students to pursue in their respective career fields. So, thank you so much once again, because many people were not on that particular path. You have actually showed them the light so that they can continue their journey. And in future also, sir, we will invite you for this kind of very fruitful talks related to the career. So it was really great talks, and it was very nice to connecting with you. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us today
Sure.
and making our day great.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Hers and the team. I wish from the God, He will give you more power and more prosperity, as well as more knowledge in coming days to enlighten the society and serve the nation. Thanks a lot. Thank you for inviting me, providing a chance to deliver a session on AI and corporate to connect. Thanks a lot. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. It means a lot, sir. Thank you.